Hi, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be showing you how I made this amazing Nigerian Shakshuka, which is basically an egg dish, stewed eggs that I did at my parents. So like my channel, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and let's get down to this easy dish. So I'll be using some vegetable oil here. So I'll be adding some spices of a bit of curry and then some thyme. You can use any of your choice. Then I'll be sauteing some onions. Obviously, you can tell them I'm my parents because of this aluminum pan. So I'll be adding some pureed onions, tomato, and some peppers. I'm going to allow that fry up a bit. And I went ahead to add some seasoning, stir that up. Whenever I cook for my parents, I don't add salt because the salt in the bouillon cubes is actually just enough. So I'll be adding my eggs one by one. Typically, you're supposed to make like a pocket and then just add the eggs inside so it holds. Then I covered it to allow it to steam up. And then I went ahead to just like separate it a bit because obviously we're going to be sharing this together in the house. Then I added some of the stew base on top of the egg just to give it some kind of like finesse and some like beauty. And then I cover that up again to just steam up for like another 2 minutes. And that's it, fam. The shakshuka was ready. It was literally so good. Like my father loved it and wanted it like every morning whilst I was there because it was that good. So I always look forward to whenever I'm at my parents because it's like home and it's peaceful. We had this with some bread, as you can see. So thank you for going on this journey with me. Until next time, guys. Mwah.